So you mentioned transforming operations, right? Which is obviously already a niche into consulting. I'm a bit curious, like so something that comes up a lot when we look you up, profitable operational transformation, right? So how do you do that? And I guess that's the right segue into who is it that you help exactly, and how do you make it profitably for them?
Great question. So most of our clients are going through some sort of transition, whether they're going through a merger and acquisition, acquiring companies and growing, or they're trying to improve, going through a transition to increase capacity in, say, a manufacturing operation, or to streamline their shipping and receiving areas. So we look at the overall transformation. It really is, what is their biggest pain point? What is their bottleneck? What is their challenge? Are they growing fast and they need more capacity out of their current assets? Do they want to increase their efficiency? We really focus on the root cause of those problems by defining the problem first and then understanding the priorities. The highest priority to attack, a growth opportunity or cost savings and synergies when we're combining multiple facilities that are very, very similar in acquisition, or just increasing their profitability and cash flow through cost savings. And we have 15 different categories that we focus on for synergies and cost savings too.